lost my own son Darren in 2006. Darren was killed in a collision on his way to college in Athlone, and we hope that in doing this that we are doing something in his honour and something that he will be proud of us in doing. We really wanted to save lives and to prevent other families from having to live this nightmare that so many of our families are living. Behind me here we have 188 white photo frames, which is to show the 188 people who lost their lives in just 1 year on our roads. Now, these are totally preventable deaths. They're not incurable diseases, so each of us can make a difference. We can change our driving habits, we can make sure that we're seen on the roads, we can take extra care to prevent these deaths occurring. Because after all, these are our loved ones. They have paid the ultimate price with their lives. We failed them once, we don't want to fail them again. So we're doing this in their memory, in the hope that we can change the attitudes of people, actually to show them what 188 lives looks like.
Yeah.
And I think that looks like, it's a powerful image. I think it looks like a cemetery, it looks like 188 white crosses in a cemetery. Instead we have the photo frames, and I really hope people will take it on board, both in the Dáil, the legislators who can make a difference by changing the road traffic laws, the Gardaí, we really need to see more enforcement on the roads, and we want the Gardaí to be properly resourced so that they are on the roads and drivers and road users will no longer take chances with their own lives and the lives of others.